Make a great choice today with the 2003 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, 4-wheel drive, running boards, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.